Compared to a traditional tank water heater, a Rinnai tankless water heater is far superior. Here's why. First, a tankless water heater is energy efficient. A tank may heat and reheat water even when you're not at home. A Rinnai tankless water heater heats water only when you need it, resulting in less wasted energy. Second, when demand is high, a tank can run out of hot water, leaving you in the cold. But a Rinnai tankless water heater heats water as it goes through the pipes, giving you an endless supply of hot water for your family or business. Third, an old tank could accumulate rusty sediment over time and leak all over your floor. A Rinnai tankless water heater has a longer lifespan, up to twice as long as a traditional tank. So scrap the tank and start enjoying as much hot water as you need, heated only when you need it, with a Rinnai tankless water heater.